Alright, bam, we got a boogie van video start today. I'm here with my friend Tom. We're in the backdrop of the Erie Canal up outside of Rochester, New York. Hey Tom, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
What's with the Whistling Diesel shirt, bro? Competing channels. Here we go. Okay. Anyways, we're out here and he's got his father-in-law's, what year, 77?
78.
78 Dodge Tradesman 200. Check this thing out. It's a Blue Beauty. It's a back in the day buggy van. We're going to do a little walk around video and check it out. I brought my van up over here. We've been buggy vanning around like it's 1977 again. So let's check out this Tradesman. Come over here and tell me about it.
So the 78, I did a restoration on it several years ago. So the gas tank was completely shellacked. Didn't run at all. So did a whole new fuel system, fuel tank, dual exhaust, all new wheels and tires. Brakes. It's got a Edelbrock intake, 4-barrel carburetor, and brought it back to life. So now it's been sitting again for another few years. So I just had to fix the horn, and all the linkages for the wipers have become disconnected. So
You don't need those.
That's the next next thing, and then it's ready to go.
Is this the original paint on here?
This is all the original paint. And patina.
Nice. It's really solid. My van's over here. The exhaust is tinging away. Don't worry about that. I just got it striped the other day. If you haven't seen the video on that, you can go and check it out. I'm getting more done. I'm going to panel stripe it. But for now, it's got the top section done. Let's walk around the front of the van.
We'll take a look under the hood here.
Ooh, I forgot these got the sideways brake booster in the front. That's awesome. We got the electric ignition.
Yep. So there's a little 318 in there. See the Edelbrock intake and carburetor.
Yep.
And it's a fun ride over here. The belt was squeaking so bad because the alternator belt was loose. I got that straightened away.
Why is it corroding the intake so much? Is it freaking leaking coolant eating that? Was that brand new intake?
Yeah, it was a brand new intake.
Or was there there was a mouse nest on it. This thing is awesome. Brand new radiator, 318, and you said it's a 4-speed van?
Yeah, 4-speed.
4 on the floor. That's pretty cool. I love the white bumpers on the thing, and the trim is really nice. The grill's nice. This thing's mint. Let's take a look at the inside. Holy moly, check this out. Original shag, original paneling. It's a shorty. Ooh, it had a curtain in it. Look at that. Yeah, this thing is done right up. Black houndstooth seats. Look at that, 4 on the floor. Awesome. This thing is fantastic. Come around here. I like the little wing that Dodge puts out over their mechanism there. Look at these Krager, back in the day, Krager window louvers. What else can you tell me about it? So your father-in-law bought this brand new?
Yeah, he bought it brand new, and he's had it forever, and they had a lot of family trips, taking it to Florida, and a lot of good memories with the kids in the back and taking long road trips. He used to take his brothers camping with it, and just had it ever since, and a lot of good memories. So I'd like to keep it around and keep it running.
So don't spill brake fluid on a plastic grill. I like these sideways boosters, man. This thing's mint. Mopar stickers on it everywhere. This trim is mint.
start it.
Only 50,000 miles?
I believe it's original, yeah.
Dang. This thing is awesome. Dude, you got to bring this thing to the Van Nationals in Ohio with me in July.
Sounds like a good fun time.
Steal it from your father-in-law and take it. Fire it up, want to hear what it sounds like with the 318 Flowmaster exhaust. It's a shorty and it's a party in. Alright, thanks Tom for showing me the van. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do some cruising around. We'll get some action shots of following the thing, driving around, doing boogie van stuff. Maybe we'll run to the gas station. And this Tradesman's pretty cool. Original paint shorty Tradesman. It doesn't get any better than that. With a 4-speed, how can you go wrong?
Thanks a lot, Josh.
Next time I'll bring some duct tape, so I don't want to advertise for Cody. He's got his own his own thing going. I appreciate this count as a crossover video. I don't know. I'll send him a message and see what he says. All right, so that was it. Boogie van action here. We're on the Erie Canal, checking out the Tradesman. I drove my van, and we're gonna get back to more cool stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Bam, right here on the road with Boogie Vans at the Quick Speed Channel. Dude, that thing's fast. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home.